On 11th of November, team of Taxation Department, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council revisited for the scrutiny of trading licenses under Bokajan subdivision. As per the direction of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM-led Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council government, Taxation Department had been rigorously checking trading license and documents relating with trade and commerce since the past few months across East Karbi Anglong with a vision to boost the revenue from trade and commerce sector under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The team of Taxation Department, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council was led by Sonasing Terang, Deputy Secretary of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in charge, Taxation Department, and revisited the scrutiny of trading license at Dillai Hidipi, Hanjanglangso, Balipathar, Sukhanjan, and several other places across Bokajan subdivision. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.